Sir, do you believe in humans?
Humans? Man, you have to stop believing in fairy tales. Everyone knows humans don't exist.
Viral Bigfoot videos are blowing up, millions of views, non-stop shares. But how do you actually make one? Easy. First rule, to think like Bigfoot, you become Bigfoot yourself. Boom! Now picture this, an alternate world where humans never existed, and Bigfoot, he's the one doing the vlog, out in the wild trying to find signs that humans were real. Sounds weird? That's exactly why it works. Let me show you how you can make your own viral video about Bigfoot. Fire up Google Veo3, plug in this prompt, POV-style vlog, Bigfoot holding a selfie camera, trekking through snowy mountains near ancient ruins, wind howling, dramatic skies, fur blowing, breath visible in cold air. He talks to camera, scanning the landscape. Then he drops this line.
Still no signs of humans, maybe they're just a myth. But I found this weird footprint, size 10? That ain't mine.
Sounds cool, isn't it? Add some CapCut magic with transitions, zoom-ins, mystery music, maybe a random flying drone shot, and boom, that's your viral gold. And if you can't access Google Veo and Google Flow, try it in Gemini. It gives you a few Veo3 generations free each day. Or if your country's blocked, use services like FreePic, FAL, Replicate, and others. And here is a pro hack for you. Try to resize and reframe the horizontal video into a vertical one using Luma Reframe to go viral on TikTok as well. And if you loved what you saw and want to grow our Bigfoot community, smash that subscribe button and join our mission to find humans.